Hi guys, I'm Steph. Thank you so much for checking out my channel today. You might notice we're in a different place. My hair looks a little different. So I'm back in Halifax after my road trip, and before I left, I decided to dye my hair. I wanted purple hair for the longest time. However, it didn't quite turn out as I wanted, and because I'm in a different province, like 18 hours away from where I live, I can't really go back to the salon, so I want to try to fix it myself. I'm going to insert some progress photos of what it did look like because I got it dyed 2 days ago, and already like the color didn't quite take. It's faded a lot, and I haven't even washed my hair yet. I actually am a brunette, and I have never done anything to my hair, so I'm a little disappointed, but I feel like we can make this work. Originally, I was going to use the L'Oreal Colorista semi-permanent dyes, but I've heard terrible things about this blue shade. I watched quite a few videos, and a lot of people said this turned their hair green, it stained it, so I really did not want to chance it with that. And I was going to do some sort of mix it together ombre effect with the purple 400 shade, but I just didn't want to risk it. I ended up that I could find some Manic Panic. This is in the ultraviolet shade, so it's going to be super, super vibrant, and I don't want really vibrant purple hair at the moment, maybe eventually, but I want more of a softer purple. So when I bought those other shades, I had also picked up this L'Oreal Colorista Clear Mixer, and it's supposed to like pastelize the things, and it has like the brush and the gloves, all those things that I don't have. So I think I'm going to mix these together, see what kind of shade I get, maybe mix in some conditioner, and my boyfriend's going to help me out, so hopefully all goes well, and you guys are going to be there along for the journey. Hello, and welcome to the Very Green bathroom. I just washed my hair, so it is looking a little dark and a little bit purple. I washed it with this Neutrogena Anti-residue shampoo. Manic Panic suggests that you use a really good clarifying shampoo, so pick this one up, heard good things about it. First time I ever used it. Anyways, so this is my hair now. I'm going to show you what mix we're going to do, and we'll go from there. Okay, so here we are at the toilet seat with our plastic bowl and a plastic spoon. We're going to do a little bit of the Manic Panic. I previously forgot to mention this is the Manic Panic Semi-Permanent Hair Color Cream in Ultraviolet. So that is what we are working with. So I'm just going to use this much. Like, I've never done this before. Is that too much? Too little? I saw someone who did this and they got a very beautiful lavender color. So I think that's what we're going to go for, just because I already do have some purple in my hair. We don't want to go crazy. And I'm going to add part conditioner and then part the L'Oreal Colorista Clear Mixer. So just for reference, this conditioner is Life Brand Strong Fortifying Herbal Conditioner. Just what is in my bathroom. And I already talked to you about this. That's really yellow. Is this going to make my hair green? Is this a bad idea? We'll see what color it looks like when we mix it. Partly I just wanted the conditioner to make sure my hair was like nice and soft. So the Colorista thing comes with that itself, some gloves, a brush, and instructions, which I'm doing my own thing. Okay. Let's add this in. That is still very bright. Better. I think I put in too much of the Manic Panic. It's turning into like a icy blue almost, not quite a lavender. Okay, so this has been used up. I think we're gonna need more conditioner. I'm kind of nervous about the yellow tone of the other conditioner, so I'm going to try this Dove Advanced Hair Series Oxygen Moisture for fine flat hair, which describes my hair perfectly. Oh, nice and not yellow toned. Does not seem to be lightning, really. I've had a suggestion that I should just take some of it out and try to dilute it that way, so let's see how that goes. Slight difference. Ooh, yeah, this is the color. Okay, so I've sectioned off my hair, so just the bottom is showing. So you can see so much clutter behind. And my boyfriend is going to be helping me apply it. So we have the dye and a brush. He's got gloves. Let's go. He's never done this before either. Fun experience for us both. So following the directions, they say empty desired amount of plastic bowl, apply evenly with a tin brush. Do not apply to scalp. Saturate hair thoroughly. Comb evenly through the hair until it becomes frothy. And then we have to cover it. So to comb through it, we're going to be using this brush. I feel like you're supposed to use a comb, but this is what we got. Okay. So not at the scalp, but close to the root. Okay, so we've now coated my hair. We did use a brush at first. There was a lot of it left over. So we just kind of went ham on it using our hands. And now I have to cover my head for 30 minutes. I feel like I see color, but I'm like, is that just the dye sitting on top? Is it actually penetrating, depositing? I don't know what it does. I'm very excited. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so I have just rinsed my hair and it looks like the color is there. I'm excited to dry it and see how it turns out. So I did have plastic on my head, left it there for 30 minutes. I went to rinse it because there was so much conditioner. It took quite a while to kind of my hair to feel normal. That being said, I still feel like it is still conditioner in there, but it says rinse until there's no more color running out, and there's no more color running out, and I don't want it to fade faster because it is going to be a lighter color. So I don't know what happens if there's too much conditioner in your hair. It's just like a little greasy, I think. Anyways, I'm really excited. I'm glad I used so much conditioner because my hair is feeling quite dry and unhappy before this. So I'm going to blow dry it and we'll see the results. Hopefully everything turns out great. So here we are with the hair dried. I do see that there is like a little bit more lilac at the ends, and I really like how it turned out on top. Before, I just felt the purple that I had from the salon was just too pinkish purple, and I really like the gradient this creates. That being said, I feel like I might have diluted the Manic Panic a bit too much because I was hoping for a bit of a darker color. But I feel like I should have known better because the person who I saw diluted as much had just a slight tint to their hair, which is more than what I have. I have more of a tint than they did. So I did have some color underneath, so that is to be expected. But I think it's going to wash out pretty quick. But I really like this, and I would definitely continue to use it in the future and do more. I have some still mixed up that isn't as diluted, which I'm thinking of adding to my hair in a few days. We'll see how it goes, but for now, I'm really loving it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are. Bye!